In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Asana and Google Calendar to schedule food pickup appointments. First, open Asana and create a new project for your pickups. Give it a clear name like food pickups. Now create a new task for each appointment. Add details like customer name, pickup date, and time. You can also include notes like contact info or special instructions. Make sure each task has the correct due date and time. Next, go to your project and click the drop-down near the project name. Select Export or Print, then click Sync to Calendar. Copy the calendar URL that Asana gives you. Now open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, click the plus icon next to Other Calendars. Choose from URL, paste the Asana calendar link and click Add Calendar. Your food pickup tasks will now appear as events. You can set reminders in Google Calendar to stay on track. Keep in mind this is a one-way sync. Changes in Google Calendar won't update in Asana. That is how you schedule food pickup appointments using Asana and Google Calendar.